In this video, you will learn how to create a shortcut key in your GNOME extension. I've created a schema file here. You have learned how to create and compile the schema file before. The key type for shortcut should be array of string. Here, my shortcut default value is super G. In extension.js file, I get the settings from a schema. You have learned about this before. Import shell and meta to have action modes and flag types. Get action mode from shell. With action mode, you can specify where the shortcut key should work. You have different modes. For example, when you use overview mode, the shortcut key only works when the overview is open. You can use different flags for your key binding. Usually we use none or ignore auto repeat here. Get the settings from the function we have created before. Now you can add the key like this. We have my shortcut in settings. This function will be called when you press the key. On disable, you can remove the key like this. As you can see, the shortcut key is working. Since we used all for action mode, it works on overview too.